We're here at the street food in Georgetown, Penang. So this hawkers market. So a lot of street food. We're here and what do you call this one? Para siyang food stall. And she's cooking. She's chili later. So you have different form of chili sauce, green, the red, ito mga pagkain ng mga chili niya, no? And she's cooking, yung chili niya. This one. Okay. So you have people here. Kumakain sila. Here. Different. This is a street in Georgetown, Penang. We drove more than 200 kilometers from Ipoh to here. Oh, dito pala, no? Iba yung mga dito. Charcoal seafood. So, oh. ₱2. Ito mga different na tofu nila. Mga seafoods, no? Delikado sa katawan, no? What's this one? Vegetable. And then you have chicken wings. We're here sa ano to? Maxim Cafe. We're here, no? Tingnan natin anong gaano kasarap to. Ayan. So we'll get sauce. Okay. Kami ng sauce. Sweet and sour. Ito yung sweet and sour. Okay. Kuha doon ng sauce. Ayan. And this one. Okay. I think this is ibang sikwa, no? You have 5 type of sauce. Ano kaya to? Pwede naman ito ihalo. Sweet and sour? What is this one? More sweet and sour. Tingnan natin kung ano kasarap to. No? Okay?
Iliw ka pa.
Okay, sige.
Ay namin binablog kami.
Anong